My hair has completely transformed in the last 6 months. In this video, I show you my side-by-side comparison of my mini braids, also giving you reasons why you should try mini braids on your type 4 natural hair. So let's go ahead and get into today's video. Welcome or welcome back to Simply Shev, where we talk about all things natural hair, including my own natural hair journey, styling ideas, DIYs, and so much more to help you grow your natural hair long, healthy, and strong. If you're new around here, if you're a new subscriber, welcome or welcome. If you've been with me a while, I so really appreciate all of you. Do continue to watch my channel. You'll learn so much about growing your type 4 natural hair. I'm on a journey of growing out my hair to waist length this year, and I think that we could all do it. We've completed a poll saying that's a journey most of us is on, and so we're going to be getting to that length together. So I like to do these side-by-side comparisons just to really see how my hair is transformed. And 6 months ago is what my hair looked like on the left. So if you want to see how my hair was damaged, pay attention to the one that's on the left. And if you want to see the transformation, that's the one on the right where I'm wearing red. And it's just a side-by-side of me installing mini braids on my type 4 natural hair. Now, the number one reason why I love to wear mini braids on my type 4 natural hair is for length retention. I don't believe there's a style that's greater for length retention. I absolutely love twists, but I think because braids last a bit longer, it helps you to retain more length. Also, when you braid your hair, especially from the root, you're able to tell how much growth you're getting. So it's a real motivation seeing your hair grow from the root, and knowing that, you know, if you've installed these braids on your own natural hair with no extension, you can know that all the hair that you're seeing growing from the root is actually your hair. So the very first reason is length retention. Do go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you've not done so. I've created so many playlists this year, especially on growing your natural hair. Now, this will be part of the mini braids playlist. I have also created a recent mini twist playlist that you can check it out. It's got lots of tips and hints, and so will this playlist. So the second reason why I really love to wear mini braids on my natural hair is that it shows off your length a bit more. Now, if you look at the video on the left, my hair was actually longer, but it was more damaged. And one of the main reasons why I like to put on mini braids, it shows off my length a bit. Unlike twists, the shrinkage is a lot less, and so you will have a lot more length on mini braids. If you do them smaller, oh gosh, they're really gorgeous. And so if you want to really show off your length, you do them really mini micro mini braids, and it will show off your length and it will last a very long time. And so that's one of the reasons why I love to wear this versus twists, where they shrink. So it's great if you want to show your length off for a period of time, and they can last for so much longer, which is my third reason, is because they last long. Mini braids can last up to 3 months with proper care. If you take care of your mini braids, they can last all of that time, and that's a lot of growth. You can reinstall the edges and sort of maintain it to grow your hair. And so really having these in for 3 months, especially just on your own natural hair, you will see a lot of length, a lot of growth. The next reason why I love mini braids and other long-term protective styles that just uses your natural hair is because of the thickness. Now, one of the main problems that you can see in the video on the left is that my hair is really super thin. And when you look at the video on the right, the thickness is there. My hair is looking very healthy. Now, if you wear mini braids on your own hair for a period of time, you will see that the thickness comes back to your hair. Okay, that is going to go on to another benefit. That's because in mini braids, you can wash your hair and moisturize your hair. Now, washing synthetic hair is having your own hair wrapped in that, and your own hair is not getting the benefit. Now, when you do mini braids on your own hair, all of the goodness from a wash day, from a treatment, all of that is coming just onto your braids, and that will give you thicker hair. You are able to apply all of your treatments on mini braids, and you know, you get the thickness back. My hair is becoming thicker by doing styles just on my natural hair, for which mini twists and mini braids are great, because I want to keep those styles in for longer and I will get more growth. So that's another reason. It increases the thickness of my hair because I'm able to do my wash days and still maintain the style, and I'm able to do my treatment. So I'm seeing a lot of thickness return to my hair. Now, another reason why I love to wear mini braids on my type 4 natural hair to grow it long, healthy and strong is because you're going to be able to style these braids in other styles. I have said before, I think if you've watched my previous video, and do go ahead and watch it if you've not watched it, it's very much got lots of different information to this video. So do check out my previous mini braids installation video where I do a Q&A and it's much more detailed, so check that out. So one of the other reasons is because I'm able to style this in styles, and I mentioned in that video that you're able to do them smaller and then do a lot of lock styles, sister lock styles with braids. So they're very versatile in that you can wear these braids and also, you know, style them in styles for different days of the week. They're very versatile and they can, you know, do a lot of other styles. So I love to wear it because I'm able to change up my looks with these, and if I do them really small, then I get a lot of styles that I can use from the options of sister locks. So I really like them because they are versatile in that way. They're easy to style. Another reason why I love mini braids and why you should try them if you're trying to grow your natural hair long is because they allow you to trim your hair. If you look in the video on the left, you can see me doing a trim on my natural hair in my mini braids. Mini braids is a great way of trimming your natural hair without losing too much length. Wherever the hair stops, you know that's the bit you're going to cut, and you're able to not trim off too much. So I love it because I'm able to do my trims in mini braids, and that way I know that I'm not going to cut off too much length because I can see exactly what is left. Also, another reason why I love this is because you have access to your scalp now. If you've watched my video, and do go ahead and check out my video on dealing with my dermatitis, you'll know that I've got dermatitis on my scalp and I need access to my scalp. I need to always be cleaning my scalp and making sure that there's no dandruff, and so mini braids allow me to get access to my scalp, whether that be to clean it with something like a witch hazel if I need a quick clean, or if I need to shampoo it, or if I need to do a treatment. Mini braids are great because it shows off most of your scalp. It's one of those styles that will sort of give you the best access to your scalp, and so I love wearing it for that reason. So it gives me great access to my scalp to be able to do treatments on my natural hair. So if we have a quick look at what's happening in the video, you can see visually that my hair has really changed over the last 6 months. 6 months ago, my hair was thin, in the same style, it was see-through, and although it was longer, it was not as healthy as now. I'm so happy with the progress that's been made on my hair over the last 6 months. I've done also one of these with my mini twist, so you can have a look, but you can see side by side that my hair is less frizzy, that it's growing, and that the health and the length that's there looks a lot healthier. I encourage you to also film your natural hair journey, take pictures so that you're able to do the comparisons that I've done in this video. So briefly, and to recap, in this video where I talk you through my 6-month progress on my mini braids, I encourage you to try mini braids because it shows off the length of your hair. It can increase the thickness. You're able to wash your mini braids and style them in other styles, and you're able to show off length. So mini braids is a great way of growing your type 4 natural hair. It will take a lot of time to install, and in my next video I go into reasons why mini braids are probably not for you. I know a lot of naturals that will not make their hair this small, and so in the next video I go through the cons. It will be sort of like the same comparison type video, but the information and content will be different. So then again, looking at these side by sides, you can really see the progress that my hair has made over the last 6 months. Now I'm glad I made these videos when my hair wasn't doing very well, so that now when it's doing well, it's a motivation to know 6 months later exactly what my hair will look like. I'll be able to see that progress over time. I just want to say thank you so much for watching my channel, for checking out my content. I do hope you've gained some benefit from today's video. Do go ahead and check out my How to Grow Your Natural Hair in 2022 playlist and all my other playlists for growing your natural hair. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Have a blessed day.